Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are out here on one of our projects in St. Joe. This is a brick foundation renovation project, one of the three we've been working on up here and in Gower, Missouri. This one was probably the worst shape of the three houses that we're doing for the customer up here, but the mortar has been applied to the wall, top to bottom, corner to corner. Everything looks great, much better than it was prior to us getting started. The foundation was in comparatively rough shape to the other houses, but we were still able to get the mortar applied. We're just waiting for it to dry now, and then the final step of this particular project will be to paint the walls with white waterproofing paint. It's really going to be a nice transformation down here. While we're waiting for that mortar to dry, we are creating the holes for our wall braces. We're going to install bracing on two of the walls that we're leaning in the most, that need the most support. So that should be mostly completed by today. Tomorrow we should just be painting, and that'll take about a half day to get this all done, and then we will be out of here. In addition to all of that, there was also a section of the main floor that we've been raising up just to get back to level. This one beam right here was not even touching the floor. So we've got everything raised back up. We've got new wood that we're going to be attaching here to make sure everything is supported the way that it should be. Yeah, everything is mortared. Looks pretty good. Got the concrete broken up. We'll start getting the wall braces put into place. And then tomorrow we will paint and be finished out here. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find those on YouTube and Facebook if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and therefore you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.